talk about the accessories that you must need to be safe in any kind of industry labs. The personal protection involves the use of lab coats with long sleeves to protect clothes and skin from dangerous and harmful chemicals if you are in a chemical laboratory. They should be made of cotton because this material doesn't adhere to the skin in case of accident. However, there are lab coats that made with other materials, and their use depends on the work that you are going to do. And this is one example about lab coats. In the gloves you may use are an essential element of personal protection. They reduce the chance of injuries and protect against irritation, burns, or allergies. They can be made of latex, neoprene, nitrile, PVC, and polyethylene film.
If you are working in a chemical lab or with material that will break and be reflected against you, you must use glasses to protect your eyes. These type of glasses are designed in a way that can resist the shock, the impact, and even the different type of chemical material that you will be working with. This type of glasses is designed in a lot of ways. For example, there are a design that allows you to use your usual glasses behind them, and there is also other types that are gradated so you can read with them. There is another design that have little hole here for that the air can get against your eyes, and also are designed in two levels of resistance. The first one is a basic level, and the second one is a high level that offers most protection for your. To prevent injuries in our head, we must wear a helmet that will provide us with a shield against shocks in our head, and also is designed in a way that has a system that can absorb the shocks. A helmet can be also designed in a manner that we can adjust it to wear with a sheet in our face, or even to adjust them glasses for more protection. Protect our head is important because there is our nose, our mouth, our ears, our eyes, and of course our brain.
Hi, my name is Gabby. I want to explain you about industrial footwear. Like engineers, we have to use shoes like this because we want to protect the foot and ankle. Um, because in the work it sees danger like falling, rolling objects, electric hazard, or change of temperature. For this, the type of materials of these shoes can be skin, like this, if you see, beige, mixed of skin of beige, or rubber in less case. And the material is depend the work that we have. Another thing is the appearance. These shoes can be with or without cap. Can have the electric and that share of metatarsal protection for wrestlers. Another is the type of sole. And the sole have to be anti-skid or metal protection. This is the work that we do in the industry. Another is the type of shoe. And the shoe can be boot like this, that this part is in the ankle, or busking. And other thing that I have to say to you is that like engineer we have to know the different types of mask. This is a simple mask. For example, I am a chemical engineer, and by this I use this type of mask when I work with solid substance. Because if I inhalate the solid substance in my organism, can be reaction. Okay, the difference of type of mask is like the filter. This is a simple mask, but industry have different type of filter and different stages. In the cylinder of filter can be 3 stages. And the first stage is the physical stage. These have a material of microporous that don't permit that the substance will be in the organism. Then the other stage is the chemical filter that have carbon activate. This carbon don't permit that the organism inhalate organic or inorganic gases, or toxic steam. And the last stage is a carbon filter. The carbon lose microparticles that don't permit that we inhalate the substance that are not absorbed in the physical or chemical stage. This is in the flux of air that the air pass across the filter. The microparticles, the carbon lose microparticles that are mixed with the air, and this don't permit that the substance will be toxic in my organism. Okay, like engineers, we have to know the types of mask, of the type of shoes, because is the security